Konnichiwa, watashi no nama wa Denver Snuffer desu. Hajime mimashite. Greetings to Nihon, the land of the rising sun. I'm grateful you've come to this conference. It is about the search for truth, because we seek to find truth and understand all truth. The people who organize and speak at this conference are not part of an organization or church, but let each person search for truth with us. We welcome anyone who also seeks for truth. Religion should be truth. But while all religions do have some truth, every religion has lost many truths and therefore are all incomplete. We are a small group of people on a quest for truth. We welcome all truth we can find, for truth is our religion. Across all the world's nations and cultures, there are stories about the earliest times when God's created this world and put mankind here. Those stories tell us that in the beginning, there were great truths taught to the earliest fathers by the gods. But records written at the beginning do not exist. Therefore, our memory of the beginning is incomplete. You live in an ancient land, but the name Nihon for your island nation was first given to your land at the same time Moses was leading a group of Israelites to freedom from Egypt. Before Moses, the Israelites had only oral traditions about the gods in the earliest times. But the gods revealed themselves to Moses and taught him about the creation of this world. Using what he was taught by the gods, Moses wrote 5 books called the Torah, telling about the creation of this world and the God's commandments for Israel. Those became the first 5 books of the Bible. After Moses, generations of Israelites had men who also wrote sacred books, in which they recorded that the gods continued to speak to them and reveal truths. For more than 1,000 years, Israelites added more books to the 5 written by Moses, which together became the Old Testament of the Bible. Like the Israelites, your ancestors had only oral traditions about the creation of this world handed down for generations. The empress assigned imperial court scholar Ono Yasumaro to write down the traditions that became the first record, Kojiki, Nihon's oldest book. At nearly the same time the Kojiki was written, an Israelite prophet named Isaiah was adding his sacred book to the Bible. Isaiah's record was added as the 22nd book of the Bible. He foretold of a time in the distant future when people who love truth will be gathered together from all over the world, including some from the islands of the sea, and he shall set up an ensign for the nations, and shall assemble the outcasts from the 4 corners of the earth. We believe Isaiah wrote about what is happening now, and we will see this gathering of people happen. We believe that Nihon is one of the islands of the sea from where some will come to be gathered. People from Nihon will bring truths with them that we want to gather. We believe the gods want all of us to search to find truth. We believe your ancestors anciently were given truths from the gods. We come here to Nihon to tell you how the gods have been working to return truths to the earth. But we have also come to learn truths from you. Your history, your traditions, your rituals, and even your culture have truths we seek to understand. The people of Nihon, on average, live more than 5 years longer than the people of the United States. There are many reasons for this. and some of them are based on truths we hope to understand and add to our own. But truth is compared to light in the Scriptures. Errors are compared to darkness. We are promised that if we will welcome the light, then the light will grow. And that which does not edify is not of God and is darkness. That which is of God is light. And he that receives light and continues in God receives more light. And that light grows brighter and brighter until the perfect day. Of all people in the world, you who live in the land of the rising sun should understand how growing light is a blessing from heaven. The light of a perfect day is when you have all truth and no darkness remains in you.